Hello, I am Gail of 876 Documents, and I help Jamaicans in the U.S. with their passport, birth certificate, marriage, divorce, deed polls, citizenship, stuff like that. And in my recent video, I talked about having errors on your birth certificate now, or errors on your documents. Now, today I had a client who had an ID that did not have the same name that is on her Jamaican birth certificate. She had submitted an application to one of the consulates, and they rejected the application, requesting more information on why her ID had no hyphen while her birth certificate had a hyphen, and then she used the name on the ID on the application rather than the name on the birth certificate. Now, I've said this before in previous videos. If the Jamaican government, if the US government has made a mistake on your documents, or they say they don't put hyphen on names, especially with the driver's license, not true, because my driver's license has a hyphen for my last name, in my last name, don't use it on your application. If you're applying, you must use the name on your Jamaican document, which is your birth. If any of your US documents has the wrong name, do not use the wrong name. Go with the one in your birth certificate and have that US document fixed, whether it's your green card, whether it's your driver's license, or if you become a US citizen, you can always change your name. And if you prefer to not have to go back to change your green card, then go ahead and do an official name change when you become. And be sure to hang on to that citizenship certificate. It's not just about the passport. You will need the certificate to show as your proof of name change. I am Gail.